Alright guys, we're going to go through lesson 11 homework, page 96 in your workbook. Talks about a streaming company charging 6 months worth of subscription for $47.94. So the first thing we would have to do is figure out how much it is per month. So I need to take $47.94 divided by 6. So 6 goes into 47, 7 times. 6 goes into 59, 9 times. And 6 goes into 54, 9 times. So it does come out nice. So what I just found there is my cost per month. So that is my constant of proportionality. Is 7.99. What does this mean about this situation? So about our original problem. That means that I am paying $7.99 a month for the movie subscription. All right. Find at least 3 more points and then label them. Well, now that I know how much it is per month, I know that 1 month is $7.99, so I can put that one on here. 1 month, that'd be $10, so a little less than that. Gonna label it. Let's go 10 months. So 10 times $7.99 would be $79.90. So I can put that dot on the graph as well. That would be just shy of 80. And I'm going to label that one as well. And I need one more. And you can choose any number you want. Let's do 5. 5 times $7.99. 5 times 8 would be $40, so it'd be a nickel shy of $40. 95. And we will put a dot there. 5, just shy of 40. I'm going to label that point. So that's 3 more dots on the graph, and notice how they all should line up as well. So you can certainly connect them if you'd like, but it did say at least 3 more, so you do need to list 3 more points and have them in the graph as well. D, write an equation. So my cost equals $7.99 a month. That was pretty simple now that we have that constant. Question number 2. The graph shows the amount of almonds in grams for different amounts of oats in cups of granola mix. Label the point 1, K. And what does it tell you? Okay, well again, I looked at the points here. I think we did this one in class, that point is 250. You could also list that one being 4 and 100. And both of those should help me get what number is next to the 1. Right, so if I take 2 divided by 2, 25 divided by 2 would be 25. So my point is 1, 25, which does look very accurate to where I have our dot here. So I labeled the point on the graph right here. I could say it's 125. Now what does that mean in this problem? That means there are 25 grams of almond for every 1 cup of oats. Okay, question number 3, talking about the knots and the string. And I just think that if there are 1 row to tie that together, you'd have 1 knot. If you have 2 rows, it'd be 2 knots. 3 rows would be 3 knots. So the question is, if I were to, make that into a chart, is it proportional? Is 1 divided by 1, 2 divided by 2, 3 divided by 3 all the same? And I'm going to say yes, it's proportional. You might say you're adding 1 each time, which is correct, but if I divide it out, you get the same number. You get 1 every time. So I'm just going to put yes because the constant does not change. I get 1 when I divide those out. So I'm going to say yes to that one. And question number 4. What information do you need to know to write an equation relating two quantities? To write any equation, you would need to know what to use for variables. And then you would need to know the constant of proportionality. Okay, and just like when we wrote this equation, we needed to know what variables to use, and we needed to know the constant of proportionality.